Hello everyone, it's Amber here, and today we are going to be learning to play Tequila Sunrise by the Eagles. Now this song has been highly requested in the comment section, which means you guys have got some seriously good taste in music. Now in the lesson we're going to be covering some beginner-friendly chords, a really nice strumming pattern, as well as learning the intro riff, which gives the song its signature sound. So make sure you're comfortable, get tuned up, and let's get started. Okay, so let's zoom in and take a look at that iconic intro riff. So I'm going to give you a demo first so that you can just get a feel for what we're going to be looking at today. So what we're going to be doing is first checking out the chords that we need for this intro. So we're going to be starting off with a G major chord, but we're not going to be playing with all three fingers squeezing down the strings. We're going to be playing a sort of hybrid version of a G major chord because we need our first finger for the embellishment. So we're going to take our first finger completely off the string. Now, we don't want our A string to be ringing out when we're playing this G major chord. So what you're going to need to do is take your second finger, which is squeezing down that E string, and we're going to need to flatten it so that the A string is muted. So you can hear we have our E string ringing out, our A string is muted, and the rest of the strings are all ringing out. And if you strum it all together, it sounds like a regular G major. We're not even hearing that muted string. Okay, so once we have that G chord, okay, first finger is kind of just hovering, waiting to be used. The next chord we need in the intro is a regular A minor chord. We have a D major, also regular D major, and then we go back to that two-fingered G major. Okay, so those are the chords in our intro. The strumming pattern, it is quite fast-paced, but we will get the hang of it. Let's just slow it down first. So it's going to sound like this. Down, down, up, miss, up, down, up. Down, down, up, miss, up, down, up. And we count this. 1 and a 2 and 3. And 4 and. So we're missing the third beat. We're not strumming on beat 3. 1 and a 2 and 3 and 4 and. So if we just try that on a G major chord without our first finger. Miss. Down, down, up, miss, up, down, up. Miss, up, down, up. Miss, up, down, up. Really make sure you can do that first. What we're going to be doing next is adding in our embellishment. So first of all, where are we playing this embellishment? Our first finger is going to be coming down on the D string in the second fret. Okay, so that's the note we're wanting to hear. Okay, now when does that happen? That's going to happen as a hammer-on the miss strum, so on beat 3. We're going to be hammering it on, and it's going to ring through because the strings are going to still be vibrating. So if I show you slowly, down, down, up. Okay, did you see how I hammered on when I wasn't actually strumming the strings? And we're going to take it off for that final up strum. Down, down, up, miss, up, down, up. So a little bit faster. Very fun to play once you can get the hang of that. Okay, now that same strumming pattern we apply on the A minor without any embellishments. Down, down, up, miss, up, down, up. Same on the D, no embellishments. Down, down, up, miss, up, down, up. Back to the G, and we add those embellishments again. So if we put the whole thing together from the beginning of the intro, it's going to sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. A minor, D, back to G. We also play the same strumming pattern and the embellishments in the instrumental. It's very similar to the intro. We just have a few changes with the chords. So the chords will be flashed up on the screen, and this is what the instrumental section is going to sound like. We have 2 Gs with that embellishment. We then have a regular D major, A major, a D7, and then the G with the embellishment again. So it's going to sound like this. Moving on to look at the verse, we have the chords flashed up on the screen for you. We're going to be starting off on that G major chord, which we're going to be playing twice. D major is next, also played twice. We have A minor next, changing to our D7 chord, and back to our G chord for 2 rounds. So you can see our chords here in the verse are nice and simple, really easy. So we're going to move on to look at the strumming pattern that we use not only in the verse, but in the rest of the song. We're going to be using our favorite pattern, which is used in so many songs. Down, down, up, down, up. And we're going to count this 1, 2, and 4, and. And every single chord you see up on the screen is going to get 1 round of that strumming pattern. So let's give that a try together. Starting on our G major, a 1, 2, ready, and down, down, up, down, up. Repeat it. To the D chord, and again, down, down, up, down, up. A minor, to the D7, and to our G, and repeats. So we can give a little quick run through with some singing so that you guys have a bit of context. Let's try verse 1, starting on the G. Here we go. A 1, 2, 3, 4. It's another tequila sunrise to the D, staring slowly across the A minor. D7, they said to the G, and G again. Now in the verse, that chord sequence we see up on the screen gets played again. So let's repeat it one more time. And the G. He was just a hired hand to the D, working on the dreams he planned to the A minor. D7, the days to the G. Okay, so this is going to lead us straight into the chorus of the song. So the chorus, we have a whole new set of chords that we're going to be learning. So those are going to be up on the screen for you. And it's going to be starting off on an E minor chord, changing to our C major. And we repeat that again, E minor to C. We then have E minor, A minor, to D7 chord, and finally D7 sus4. Sounds complicated, but it's really quite straightforward. From that D7 chord, all we're going to be doing is adding our pinky into the 3rd fret on the high E string. And this is going to give us that suspended 4th, which is the note G. So the suspended 4th, we count up from D. D, E, F, G. G is the 4th note from D. So we have to add a G. And we can do that by placing our pinky into that 3rd fret on the high E string for that D7 sus4. And the good news here is we're going to be using the same strumming pattern. Down, down, up, down, up. So let's give that a try with the chorus. 1, 2, here we go. E minor to the C, back to E minor, and to the C again. E minor to A minor, D7, and the sus4. Okay, and we're going to do some singing here as well. 2, 3, 4. Every night when the C chord goes down, E minor, just another C to the E minor, and A minor is to the D7, D7 sus4. Great stuff. And this is going to take us to the final section that we need to learn for the song, which is our bridge. And in true Eagles fashion, we have a whole new set of chords we have to learn in the bridge. So it's going to start off on an A minor chord. We move over to a D major. We then have a B minor chord. Okay, so for the B minor, I'm going to be playing an open chord, which is the same shape as a B minor bar chord. Okay, except I'm not going to be barring. I'm just going to be taking that first finger and placing it into the 2nd fret on the high E string. So this is like an easy cheat way of playing B minor. We then have E major to A minor, and then we have a sneaky B7, which is going to rear its head in this bridge. Okay, finally to our E minor, and to an A major. It's a lot of chords, there's no repetition, but it's a beautiful chord sequence when you get it under your fingers. And this bridge is going to have the same strumming pattern. Down, down, up, down, up. So it's going to sound something like this. 2, 3, 4, A minor, to the D, B minor, E, A minor, B7, E minor, to the A. So you might want to just pause the video here and practice those chords. You might want to just practice one strum at first, just to get from one chord to the next. And once you can do that, you can add in that strumming pattern. So I would say that the bridge is maybe the most tricky part of the song from a chord perspective. So just bear that in mind. Be kind to yourself, be gentle, take an extra couple of minutes here. And once you feel confident and comfortable, then what we're going to be doing next is a full playthrough of the song. So make sure you have your guitar ready, those chords are under your fingers, and I'll see you there. So we have our G major chord on the guitar. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Another tequila sunrise, staring slowly across the sky. We said goodbye. He was just a hired hand, working on the dreams he planned to try. The days go by. Every night when the sun goes down, just another lonely boy in town, and she's out running rounds. She wasn't just another woman, and I couldn't keep from coming on. It's been so long. Oh, and it's a hollow feeling when it comes down to dealing friends. It never ends. Take another shot of courage. Wonder why the right words never come. You just get numb. It's another tequila sunrise. This old world still looks the same. Another frame.
And there we have it, Tequila Sunrise on the acoustic guitar. It is such a beautiful song. If you want to learn another Eagles number, then you should go and check out my lesson for Take It Easy. It's being flashed up on the screen, and the song has a very similar feel to Tequila Sunrise. So you should go check it out. Thank you again for watching. If you enjoyed the lesson, go ahead, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any lessons in the future. I cannot wait to see you in another lesson very soon. Have a wonderful day. Bye.